Welcome to Nifty Pulse India. I am not SEBI-registered advisor and this video is purely for educational and informational purpose only. Trade on your own risk. Thank you. Welcome to Nifty Pulse India. 1st August, the post analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex. See, morning we have given the support and resistance levels and also the round number value. See how the market has reacted today. It has opened here and took support from S1, went to R1, then from there it can't go up, so it come down. Again this S1 to S2, where this place acted as a sideways. See these lines, complete sideways, so whoever traded at this point, they would have lost their money. Then at 250 it has taken downwards and reached the S3. See how the market have reacted. Then we can go to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I said the 56,000, the round value plays an important role in trading. So see it like a sine wave it has taken, then can't able to move up, it has fallen from there to here. So this is the trend line. So it followed the trend pattern and from the round value to S1 it has fallen down. So the support and resistance levels plays an important level. Likewise, the round numbers also plays very important level in trading. Then Sensex, see, from the round number it has moved up, can't able to go further. Then it has came down because the yesterday's close plays important role. This is the yesterday's close line, so you can't move up after that. So it has fallen, then taken supported on this one, and whatever the see this place is complete sideways. And Sensex also is the complete sideways, so it has fallen from there and took support from here. Nifty has reacted so well with the support and resistance that we have marked in the morning. So keep watching. Tomorrow we will be posting about the pre-analysis and post-analysis in the next video. The pre-analysis will be posted by today night itself. Thank you. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.